Hi, I'm Troy from Studio 33 Guitar, and today I'm going to talk about a different way to play the A chord on guitar. Now, if you're a beginner, this will be especially helpful for you because this is an easier way to play an A chord compared to the traditional way. I'm going to show you this easier way to play it, but I'm also going to show you why this might be a better way to play the A chord most of the time. So let's zoom in on the neck and have a look at how to play this A chord. Now you may be familiar with the traditional way to play an A chord, and that would be with the open A string, and then with your index finger on the second fret of the D string, your middle finger directly below that, second fret on the G string, and then your ring finger below that on the second fret of the B string. So all three of those fingers go in the same fret. And then you're strumming from the A string down, and that gives you a traditional A major chord. Now that is definitely a useful chord, and it's great for a lot of songs, but that is a tricky one to play, especially if you're a beginner, to try and get all three fingers crammed into that one space. So the chord that I'm going to show you here is actually called an A sus2 chord. Now you don't need to worry about that name so much, but this is a chord that you can use as a substitute for an A major chord. All we're going to do for this one is put down our index finger and middle finger on that second fret, just like we just did, but now we're going to leave out the ring finger, and we're going to let that string ring open. So now we have this sound. So the A major chord sounds like this. The A sus2 sounds like this. So it still has a major tonality, and so that's why it will work as a substitute for A major. And quite often I will use that A chord instead of using the full A chord because, again, it is just easier. And I also like the sound. It's a real open sounding chord. Now there will be some songs where you really will need to have that traditional A major chord sound, but for a lot of songs you can get away with using this substitution. So here's what that sounds like in a typical chord progression of A to E, F sharp minor to D. Another way that I really like playing this chord is when I'm playing in the key of E. So in E major, the A chord is very prominent. So if you're playing a song in the key of E, you're most likely also going to be playing an A chord in that song. So to go from an E major to an A major, you're having to move all of your fingers. And that's a lot, especially if you're a beginner. But if you do this A sus2 chord, you can easily make that change by just taking your middle finger and ring finger and dropping them down to the next set of strings. The index finger can stay where it is, but it's not going to be played because it's on the same string as the ring finger is. So that makes it a really easy change, and it sounds like this. So that A2 chord makes it a lot easier to go from an E major to an A. Let me know if there's some other chords that you would like to see some substitutions for. And you can also check out this playlist that has some other ones that I've done already. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.